My name is Rick Renner, and this is May 13th. And our gym today is called Disrespect for Parents. That's one of the signs that we're living in the very end of the age. And the Apostle Paul writes about this in 2 Timothy 3, verse 2, where he says, "For men shall be lovers of their own selves, proud, blasphemers, disobedient to parents." That word disobedient is the word apatho. Patho means to be persuadable, to be controllable, or to be obedient. But when you put an A in front of it, the word patho then becomes apatho. These are people that have become disobedient. You can no longer persuade them. You can no longer control them. They don't want to submit to anyone's authority. They just want to be in charge of themselves. And the Apostle Paul writes in this verse that at the very end of the age, children will become disobedient to parents, or parents will basically lose control of their children, or they will lose parental authority. What do you think? Does that describe what's taking place in society today? That's what I want you to think about.